Good morning. My name is Talib Ahmed Bensouda, Mayor of the Kanifing Municipal Council. Today we are making a public sensitization video about the new virus outbreak called coronavirus and known as COVID-19. This video is meant to sensitize the people of KMC. It is not meant to cause panic. As you all know, we have heard news that in our neighboring Senegal, there has been a victim of the coronavirus. And as a safety precaution and as a measure, we have decided to make a public sensitization video about how to protect yourself from the virus. The public is hereby informed of the latest information on the novel coronavirus disease outbreak, along with information from the WHO, or World Health Organization, on the symptoms, spread, and protection measures of COVID-19. The Kanifing Municipal Council is committed to working with communities and partners to respond to this outbreak and ensure containment. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. COVID-19 is an infectious disease which was discovered when the latest outbreak began in Wuhan, China, in December of 2019. The global fatality rate from the virus has been low to date. Considering the low fatality rate of coronavirus, it should be noted that older people, those with respiratory problems, and weakened immune systems due to poor general health are most susceptible. A total of 87,137 cases have been recorded across 58 countries as of March 1st, 2020. What are the symptoms? The most common symptoms of COVID-19 is fever, tiredness, dry cough, and shortness of breath. These symptoms are usually mild and begin gradually. Some people become infected but do not develop any symptoms and do not feel unwell. People with fever, cough, and difficulty breathing should seek medical attention immediately. How does it spread? People can catch COVID-19 from other people who have the virus. The disease can be spread from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are spread when a person with COVID-19 coughs or exhales. These droplets land on objects and surfaces around the person. Other people then catch COVID-19 by touching these objects or surfaces, then touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. People can also catch COVID-19 if they breathe in droplets from a person with COVID-19 who coughs out or exhales droplets. How to protect oneself? Stay informed of the latest updates from reliable news and government sources. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. Maintain social distancing. Maintain at least 1 meter or 3 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Practice respiratory hygiene. Cover your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention immediately and make sure you call in advance. Follow the directions of your local health authority. The Council will continue to work with partners and communities to acquire accurate information and make it publicly available for the well-being of our residents. For more information, visit www.who.int and also www.moh.gov.gm. I will reiterate, there is no need for public alarm. There are no cases reported within the borders of the Gambia or the municipality. Please stay safe and take precaution. Thank you.